Hey guys, it's Judy here with my life as Kikay, and welcome to today's video. I'm going to be creating a makeup look using the new Juvia's Place Nudes eyeshadow palette. So Juvia's Place recently came out with a collection of 4 mini palettes, and the Nudes is one of them. So we have the nudes, the violets, the berries, and the chocolates, and I'm slowly working my way through each one of these palettes, creating makeup looks using each one of them. I have already got a video creating a look using the violets palette, and I'm going to leave all those videos listed in the description box down below or in a playlist that's going to be linked up here. And today it is Juvia's Nudes turn to make a display here on my channel. I did go a lot more in depth in the colors, shades, and swatches of this palette in my swatch video, which again is going to be in the description box down below. But as a quick overview, in this palette you get 3 shimmers and 3 mattes. So you get a really nice highlight one, a transition one, and one to deepen up your crease. And then you get 3 different shimmers as well, which kind of coordinates in really nicely with the matte shades themselves. So overall, Juvia's Place really thought through the color story and the shades in this particular palette, because as you can see, the shades work together really well, mattes to shimmers. It's the only nude palette you need if that's the only colors you want. I was just recently thinking about it. I probably should just like focus my channel and niche it right on Juvia's Place products, because that's kind of what's happening to my channel anyway. I don't know, I do like talking about other products, and I really enjoy testing out all kinds of makeup, but it seems that Juvia's Place seems to make a very regular occurrence here on my channel. So I don't know, maybe I should change my channel name to All Things Juvia's Place and really like niche down in some target audience. That's the word I'm looking for. I'm niche down on that target audience. But you know what? I don't want to like close myself in on that box, because I love all kinds of makeup, but I really love Juvia's Place. Anyway, that was just a little tangent that I was thinking, you know, this thought crossed my mind at like midnight last night, and yeah, I just thought I'd share with you guys. As you can see, the colors in this particular palette are very light. I don't know how they're gonna go showing up on my eyes, but I have a few errands to run today, and I didn't really want to go around wearing pink eyeshadow or a dark smoky eye, so I thought I'd just go in with the nudes today. I'm just gonna play some music, scoot you guys in a little bit closer so you can see exactly what I'm doing, and you can see the full texture of my face, because I do not film with any filters. What you see here is what you get. If you're new here, hi, my name is Judy. I create videos on product reviews, makeup tutorials, and lifestyle advice. A few vlogs here and there. If that sounds like it's something that you are interested in, then please hit that subscribe button. I would love it if you join the Kikay family. Hit the notification bell, because I put a new video out every Sunday. Without further ado, I'm gonna bring you guys in closer to my face. it for the look. If you saw me laughing throughout that tutorial bit, it's because I was watching Kathleen Light's and Raw Beauty Christie's collab video together. I've already seen it. Saw it when it first came out, got the notification for it. But I'm watching it again right now and it's just so funny. They're two of my top 3 favorite YouTubers. Tati Westbrook is the other one. I love those 2 girls. Anyway, what is my hair doing right now? I just literally don't know what to do with my hair. Anyway, what is this? I recently got a new hair straightener and I literally don't know how to straighten my hair or curl my hair, obviously. And that's it for this video, you guys. This is kind of my first impressions applying this palette to my actual eyeballs. As you can see, it is a nudes palette, and if you are someone with a skin tone like mine, you can't really go in with a very deep eyeshadow look because the shades are very, very similar to my actual skin tone. The darkest you can go, obviously, is with this shade right here, and so as you can see, the look itself is quite natural-ish. Also, on top of that, I have been trying out the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Foundation, and it's a little bit more dewy than I would normally go for. My go-to foundation is the L'Oreal Infallible foundation right here, but I'm actually really loving the new dewy feel type of look. I have had to powder my T-zone and under my eyes, as you saw before, because otherwise it would just crease and fade off into absolute oblivion, but I do like the actual glow and dewy finish of this foundation itself. So yeah, that's just like a little mini review on the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Foundation. That's it for this makeup look. I don't actually know why my skin cuts in and out as yellow, orange, white, and just, I don't know. I'm sorry, I don't know quite how to figure out the settings on this camera. It's doing my head in. I need to educate myself a little bit more on camera settings. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! And I'm gonna leave all those videos listed in this notification bell as well because I put in view. Yes, that. Oh, that's a little too close. Too close.